Here we have a stunning wall-mounted range hood. Sleek geometric lines and embossed copper finish makes this unit fit into any modern and contemporary kitchen interior. 2 baffle filters are machine washable and can be quickly removed and installed using the included handle. The outer housing is made from one single sheet of steel for a completely seamless body. 2 halogen lamps illuminate the cooktop for all times of the day. The touchscreen on the front offers controls for lighting, timer, and 4 motor speeds. The powerful 148-watt motor provides strong suction to clear out unwanted odors and smells off your kitchen. The easy setup timer can be preset up to 15 minutes to automatically turn off. Setting the clock begins by holding the power and plus button for 3 seconds. The hours will blink. Repeatedly tap the plus button to set up the hour. When done, tap the power button to switch to the minutes. Once again, repeatedly tap the plus button to set up the minutes. Tap the power button to finish. A carbon filter kit is included for ductless recirculating installations. Simply remove the baffle filters. Twist the carbon filters to the range hood blower. No more ductwork is necessary. To learn more about our products, look up Akdy at all major online retailers.